You ready to do this?
So ready.
You excited?
Yes!
Second day and we're going back into the same stand. Afternoon, day 5.
Perfect shot.
Yeah.
Yes. That's what's supposed to happen.
You ready to do this?
So ready.
You know, we're going to the same stand that we killed the bear on the first year I ever came here.
Well, it's gonna be number 5. We're gonna kill another one.
Number 5?
Number 5 year.
Oh.
Year number 5.
All right. You excited?
Yes! A little bit too excited, I think. I don't know what else to say.
You're doing good. You're shooting good, confident.
Very confident.
All right, today's June 3rd, and we are on the first sit of our 2019 bear hunt in Saskatchewan. This is Allie's first ever bear hunt, and she actually has never even killed a deer with her bow, so this will be her first archery kill if we are successful this week, but we're 11 yards from the can, so you looking forward to it? You excited?
Yes!
Good. All
Ready
right.
for the big boy.
There's a couple good bears coming in here. There's one sow that comes in, and it seems like there's a few boars that kind of wander through, checking her out now and then. So we have expectations of seeing that sow frequently, and we're going to do our best to identify her and obviously give her the pass all week long, hoping that she drags a boar along behind her. So the bear that's here is worth waiting for, that's for sure. So
For sure.
we're gonna shut up and settle in here and grab a snack, and it's gonna be exciting no matter what.
Let's do it. So as expected, the sow that they had been seeing on camera came in. She came all the way up to the stand, as you saw, and made sure that we knew she was there. We waited, hoping that a boar would come in, and never did. But a big storm came in, so we ended up having to rush out of the stand and build a tent, which was entertaining. They came and picked us up and went back to camp and kind of make a game plan for the next day. Since we actually saw her there, we decided we would go back the second day in hopes that a boar would follow her in. Unfortunately, we didn't get an opportunity to see a boar, but we're pretty sure that one chased her off. She came in, she was comfortable with us, but you could tell she was keyed up, like something was behind her, something scared her off, and unfortunately that something never made an appearance for us. So we decided to switch it up and go to a different stand on day 3 where there had been other bears consistently there. Unfortunately, we saw nothing, maybe a bird or two. So it was a long sit, quality time together. Day 4, we decided to go ahead and go back to the stand where we saw the sow that came up and greeted us. We made the right decision, though, looking at the camera, because nothing came in on the 3rd day there either. So day 4, sitting in that stand, unfortunately no bears came in. We saw some snowshoe rabbits bouncing around, chasing each other, birds. So we got some entertainment at least, just no bears. Quite frustrating. At least we get to see the bunnies.
That sow ran out 2 days ago when we were here, and nothing's been back since then, so don't know if maybe a boar got on her and chased her out. She moved on or what, but if we do hunt again, it will not be here, I don't think, so we're gonna get packed up and hit the 4-wheeler and start heading for camp, I guess.
It's starting to rain.
And it's starting to rain. Perfect. Anytime would be nice. Anytime now.
So on day 5, we decided to go back to the stand that we sat on day 3 and kind of waited out in hopes that since there had consistently been bears there, a bear would come in. Day 5 started out very slow. There was nothing, no action. We were getting pretty nervous trying to make a game plan for what we were gonna do Saturday morning, knowing we had to leave by noon. And at that time, 2 little cubs came in, romping around, being little Indians like they are. Could see Mom in the background. She never came in, unfortunately. She was a very large sow from what we could see. The cubs took off and we kind of sat there for, I'd say 15 minutes trying to decide, okay, we're gonna have to figure out what we're doing tomorrow morning. And then at that second, I just was like, bear. She came in slowly, sat right behind the barrel, not offering a shot at all. The demeanor of this sow was different than the sow that we saw the first 2 days. She came right in, went to feeding, wasn't concerned with us or anything else for that matter. She knew that that's where the food was, and that's all she was concerned about. It was a very intense 5 or 6 minutes, however long it was, to be honest, I don't know. It felt like ages, but it gave me some time to relax and calm down and wait for her to present the opportunity for me to take my shot.
We don't even get the shot.
I'm sorry.
Oh man. I was saying hold on when we get back on because I was wide back here. I had you on the right phone,
Oh,
the on the
God.
left like this, and I had my phone in my hand. I had it figured out to where I could point the camera at the bear and hold the phone to you and have 2 angles going. That's why I was saying hold on.
I thought you said I'm on him, not I need to get on him or whatever. I don't even know what you said.
I know. It's okay. He's dead.
Well, he got up and I was like, oh God, I don't know if he's going to stick around. Because he was so cozy right there that I figured it was a perfect shot.
I think you buried it right behind the shoulder and it stuck in the offside. Good job. Good job. Oh, proud of you.
I could not stop shaking. But like as soon as I like pull out my bow to shoot, I wasn't shaking at all. Like it was gone. Yeah, it does. I'm really shaking.
Go see if you can find blood where you shot him. Just don't walk through that stuff in case we gotta come back. There's blood here too. See it?
There's some right there too.
Yep.
And there.
Okay.
Right.
What do you got?
Just looks like
Is it?
just looks like running.
Yeah. Look behind me. You see him? Just walk up careful.
I will. Let me go this way. I see no breathing.
Five days.
Perfect shot.
Yeah, very good, Dad. Perfect shot.
I don't know what to say. This hunt just can't be considered successful because I was able to harvest my first animal with a bow. The fact that Justin and I were able to spend such quality time together, hours and hours in the stand, away from everything, having him by my side, filming and documenting everything, and just enjoying each other's time is something that, you know, you take for granted until you get the opportunity to do it off the grid. It was super special to be able to be out there and just be together and just be us.
All right, end of day 5, and we've got a bear killer.
Yeah! And a bow killer now too.
First bow kill, that's correct. Either way, perfect shot, double lung, got stuck in the offside shoulder. Mosquitoes are terrible.
So bad.
But I mean, sitting here waiting on everybody else. Sean's coming right now with Jared, and we've got beautiful sunset on the river. We just took a few pictures real quick with the cell phones, but we were worried about having to push it to try to hunt half a day tomorrow before we had to hit the road, and now we don't have to.
Smile. Are you videoing?
Videoing.
Of course you are. Always videoing. All right.
Second
Ready?
day.
Second day. Boys are moving. We're gonna check the camera.
Just talk normal.
I don't know how.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
This is ingenious.
30 feet of paracord and a $4 tarp.
Totally worth it.
Yeah, you are so
Oh yeah.
fun.
All right, second day, and we're going back into the same stand. Kind of got caught in the rain last night. What do you want to do? Eat what? Dinner. We'll change the scenery today, so you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let's do this.
Proud of you.
I could not stop shaking, but like as soon as I like pull out my bow to shoot, I wasn't shaking at all. Like it was gone.